Raise سیوا کول. He raised the price of the product. هغه د مصنوعاتو نرخ سیوا کړو. He raised the price of the product. Responsible ذمہوار. She is responsible for the project. هغه د دې پروژې ذمہواره ده. She is responsible for the project. Sight نظر. His sight is poor without glasses. د چشمو نه بغیر د هغه نظر کمزوری دی. His sight is poor without glasses. Sight منظر. The sunset is a beautiful sight. لمر کوزیدل یو ښکلی منظر یي. The sunset is a beautiful sight. Spot ځای. This is a great spot for a picnic. دا د ساعت تیري دپاره غوره ځای دی. This is a great spot for a picnic. Spot داغ. There is a black spot on your shirt. ستا په کمیز باندې یو تور داغ دی. There is a black spot on your shirt. Structure ډانچه. The building has a strong structure. د ودانۍ ډانچه مضبوطه ده. The building has a strong structure. Whole ټول. He ate the whole cake. هغه ټول کیک وخوړ. He ate the whole cake. Coach روزونکی. The coach trained the team well. روزونکی د ډلې ښه روزنه وکړه. The coach trained the team well. Control قابو کول. He cannot control his anger. هغه خپله غوسه نشي قابو کولی. He cannot control his anger. Description وضاحت. The book gives a good description of history. دا کتاب د تاریخ ښه وضاحت کوي. The book gives a good description of history. Direct په مستقیمه توګه. He gave me direct instructions. هغه په مستقیمه توګه ما ته لارښودنه وکړه. He gave me direct instructions. Exam امتحان. She is preparing for her exam. هغه د خپل امتحان تیاری کوي. She is preparing for her exam. Example مثال. Can you give me an example? آیا ته ماله یو مثال را کولی شي؟ Can you give me an example? Limit حد. There is a limit to everything. د هر شیز یو ښه دی. There is a limit to everything. Local مقامی. I bought vegetables from the local market. ما په مقامی بازار کې سبزیانې واغستې. I bought vegetables from the local market. Magical جادویی. The story was full of magical events. قصه د جادویی پیښو نه ډکه وه. The story was full of magical events. Mail ډاک. I received your mail today. ما ته نن ستا ډاک میلاو شو. I received your mail today. ناول قصه she is reading an interesting novel هغه یو په زړه پورې قصه لولي په زړه پورې یعنی دلچسپ she is reading an interesting novel outline haka he gave an outline of his plan هغه د خپلې منصوبې هاکا پیش کړه he gave an outline of his plan print چاپ کول I need to print this document مال دا کاغذات چاپ کول دي I need to print this document scene منظر The movie has a beautiful scene په فیلم کې یو ښکلی منظر دی The movie has a beautiful scene sheet صادر She covered the bed with a white sheet هغې په بستره باندې سپین صادر خور کړو She covered the bed with a white sheet sheet پاڼه The paper sheet is blank د کاغذ پاڼه خالی ده The paper sheet is blank silly بیوقوفي That was a silly mistake دغه د یو بیوقوفۍ غلطي وه That was a silly mistake store ذخیره کول He stores grain in the room هغه په کمره کې غله ذخیره کوي He stores grain in the room store دکان I bought shoes from the store ما د دکان نه پیزار واغستل I bought shoes from the store سفر تکلیف زغمل He suffered a lot during the war هغه د جنگ په وخت کې ډیر تکلیف وزغمو He suffered a lot during the war technology فنیات modern technology is very advanced وسنی فنیات ډیر پرمختللی دی modern technology is very advanced پرمختللی دی یعنی ترقی کړی ده across بلې غاړې ته He swam across the river هغه د سیند بلې غاړې ته تیر وتو He swam across the river د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ Thanks for watching